All right, remove the shift knob by just simply twisting it off and pulling down on the case. Right, pull up the emergency brake, and we'll remove the center console. Just pull up. And you want to remove the gear shift wiring harness there. So there are 8 tabs here. We need to pry it, then push in and pull from the other side. And as we push those through, we'll want to kind of grab it from the other side and give it a little bit of force. Coming off one tab at a time. On to the next tab. Almost done. Okay, it's off. Just insert the replacement ring by just snapping it in. Let's reinstall the center console. Place it over the gear shift knob, then place it over the emergency brake. Pull the emergency brake cover there all the way down. Just plug that right in. Then we just snap it back down. Nice. Now let's put our gear shift knob trim on, and then we'll just screw on the gear shift knob. And once that's screwed on, we'll just pull up on the transfer case.